Hey friends, this is Lindsay back with another So Fontsy video. Here's some quick tips for placing your HTV monograms on the left pocket area of t-shirts. So this is great for like polo shirts and golf shirts. So lay the shirt out flat and imagine a vertical line that comes straight down from the side of the collar, and then imagine another horizontal line that comes straight out from the armpit seam. And where these two lines meet is where you place the monogram design. The recommended size for a left chest monogram ranges from like 3.5 to 4 inches, but this is all about personal taste though. But here's how to try out a few different sizes before actually committing to one. Open a design program that you can print from, like Silhouette Studio, and format your monogram in different sizes and print them out. Then just trim around the design and you can just visually see which one you like the best. Next, cut the monogram in heat transfer vinyl. Remember to mirror the HTV before cutting. If you like the monogram that we're using, then you can find it as part of the monogram bundle at So Fontsy. So there's a link in the video description for that, because the bundle is full of tons of monogram for those of you who love to monogram all the things. So then place that weeded HTV monogram design on the shirt, and you can use like a straight edge to help find that imaginary vertical and horizontal line where they meet. If your shirt has a lot of bulky seams or buttons, then using a pressing pillow under the HTV helps to keep the pressing area more flat by raising it up from those bulky areas that can cause an uneven surface and then could interfere with a good press. So then just go ahead and press the HTV and remove the carrier sheet, and you are ready to wear your monogram proudly. Go Falcons! Again, find the monogram design in the monogram bundle at So Fontsy. Link in the video description for that. And then thanks so much for watching, my friends. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!